Let's make some resin coasters. So these are actually resin coasters I had made that just didn't turn out. So what you're seeing is actually the bottom of the coasters. It was just basically a layer of glitter. I poured down 1 ounce of clear resin and I'm just going to smooth that out. I'm going to drop down some alcohol inks. I'm using alcohol inks from Let's Resin in pink, blue, and black. I'm just going to drop those down and then I'm going to go in with some blue interference mica powder from Let's Resin. Add a little bit of gold alcohol ink, hit that with my heat gun to kind of blend everything together and just kind of blend that gold. And that's pretty much it. This is so super simple and easy to do. It's a great way to kind of revamp your resin coasters that don't turn out. I'm using the Total Boat tabletop epoxy today. It works really great for projects like this. I love using it for artwork because it can give you some really pretty cells and lacing because it is a thicker viscosity resin. I'm going to take my little stir stick and do some fun swirly designs, and that's pretty much it. That's all I'm going to do. Super easy to make these, and it's a great way to revamp resin coasters that you're just not happy with. You could also totally do this if you don't have any coasters that you didn't like. You could just pour some glitter mixed with clear resin into a mold and use that for your base, and then demold them and do a layer of artwork. You will need to tape the back of these to prevent resin drips. The artwork layer will you'll get the resin drips on the bottom of your coaster. So you either want to tape them or use liquid latex. What I like to use is Elmer school glue. So I'll paint a layer of Elmer school glue on the back, let it dry, and then the next day after your artwork is all done and all dry, the resin drips and the glue peel right off the back. And I have a full tutorial on that on my YouTube channel. I'll link it down below if you want to go check it out. But here's how they turned out. I love them so much more than what they were before. It's really, really awesome when you can redo something and make it beautiful again. So your projects aren't just, going to waste. So I hope you give this a try. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.